Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to switch to YouTube Kids. So let's say you're using the YouTube app. So if you're in the YouTube app and you come across some YouTube Kids songs or YouTube Kids material, you would see it right here. So this is the YouTube Kids option. So this is made for kids. So in this bar, you can see the option app made just for kids over here. If you tap here, you would be that delete kids.
Okay, can I just say something?
It's easier if you're in the app itself, but if you come across some YouTube Kids video and you want to watch it in the app itself, then this video is for you. So I hope this was helpful. So it mostly works with Disney since Disney is kids friendly. So if you search for some Disney songs, let's say, so this is also the YouTube Kids material. You could see it again. And once you tap here, you will switch to YouTube Kids. There you go. That's how you switch to YouTube Kids. Hope this was helpful.
If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.